I got some queries related to SPX tool, Sentaurus Process Explorer, like how to know I have the license for that tool or not. So this is for that. So I'm going to I'm going to tell you that how you can confirm it, like you have the license for SPX tools or not. So while working in Workbench, you add some tools, like here we can see a lot of different tools are here. So in all sections you will see a tool that is SPX in the SWB environment. So select it and just apply. Okay, then let's see the properties of this tool, and clearly you can see in the name sections it is unavailable. It means this tool requires a separate license which I don't have, and you can verify it from the terminals also. You just need to base it, then after that just type spx and %, and clearly we can see this command is not here, means not found. It means I don't have the license for this separate tool. So see, in the same way you can verify in your environment. Thank you.